Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make prototype in Framer. Open Framer, create a new file, and choose a device frame to start. Add a few basic components like buttons, images, and text blocks so you can test flow quickly. I will demonstrate linking screens, setting interactions, and previewing on device. Follow along step by step and pause when you need time to try each action yourself. Create each screen with intention and keep elements grouped for clarity. Use auto layout to save time and make elements adapt to different widths. Duplicate screens to test variations and keep a clear naming system so you can find states fast. I will show how to place components, align items precisely, and adjust spacing to make a polished flow that reads well on actual devices. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading design notes, spec sheets, and inspiration on the go, with crisp display and long battery life. It fits neatly beside your laptop during prototyping sessions and keeps your references handy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we add interactions to bring your prototype to life with measurable flow. Connect frames using tap interactions and choose transitions that match the idea, like slide or dissolve. Add gestures such as swipe and drag for realistic mobile testing, and refine easing to make movement feel natural. I will also show preview options so you can test on a phone and gather feedback faster from users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.